In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can use ESPN Fantasy Football. So let's get started. Now we're going to look at some key features and the steps you can take to use this app, alright? So the first step on our list is create or join a league. Create or join a league. So, if you don't have an existing league, you can create one by inviting friends or family. If you're joining an existing league, you'll need an invite code. Then we have set up your team. Set up your team. So, choose a team name and customize your team's logo and colors. Set your league's scoring settings, for example, PPR, standard, and etc. Then we have prepare for the draft. Prepare for the draft. So, research player rankings and statistics to identify potential draft picks, and then develop a draft strategy based on your league's scoring settings and your preferences. Then we have participate in the draft. Participate in the draft. So attend your league's draft either in person or online. Select players one by one according to your draft order and aim to build a balanced team with a mix of star players and value picks. Then we have manage your team throughout the session. So manage team. So set your starting lineup each week, make trades and waivers to improve your team and monitor player injuries and performance. Then you have compete in weekly matchups. So weekly matchups. So your team will compete against other teams in your league each week. The team with the highest score wins the matchup. And then lastly, we have participate in playoffs. So, at the end of the regular season, the top team advances to the playoffs, compete in the playoff matchups to determine the league champion. So, alright, guys, that is the basic way on how you can use ESPN Fantasy. So, I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.